Hi, I'm Brooke from SmartBear. Are you having trouble keeping track of all your testing activity? Tracking the status of all your tests and linking them to requirements and defects can be messy and time-consuming. Fortunately, one of our tools, QAComplete, helps manage your manual and automated tests and test results in an easy-to-use way. With QAComplete, you can easily create tests using a fully customizable form. Either edit existing fields or create custom fields to capture the data and metrics you need. You can build manual test steps or call an automated test. Specify which computer you want to run the automated test on, even execute it on a schedule. You can choose to run each test individually, but you might want to run a series of tests, like a regression suite or smoke test. That's where test sets come in. A test set is a collection of manual tests, automated tests, or a combination of the two. Simply drag and drop any number of tests from your test library into your test set. With a single click, you can run the series of tests. You'll have the option to choose which release and environment you wish to run the test set on, and then mark each individual step or test as pass or fail. Document results, attach files like screenshots, and create defects directly within the test runner. Once prompted, a customizable defect form will populate the steps to reproduce and automatically link your new defect to the test and test set. You can further link the defect to a requirement or release. This will establish clear traceability across the testing cycle. By linking items to each other, you're creating relationships, which will allow you to report on things such as requirements by defect, test coverage, and defect status of each release. So what are you waiting for? Put your test management troubles behind you. Start a free trial of QAComplete today.